Hi, Judy the Genie here again with another top tip for a better school environment. White paint really is your friend when it comes to the school environment. People are afraid to use white generally and end up picking a darker cream colour thinking it'll be more practical, but actually can end up looking quite drab. White paint is perfect for school environments and really makes them feel more spacious and airy once you're using the right type of paint, like satin for example. There's never the risk of it looking kind of understimulating or plain because there's so much that goes on school walls anyway, between notice boards and pictures and photographs and all of that stuff. So white will really set off all of these things. Every other paint colour, every other display, artwork, any of those things will look a million times better on a white background. So remember, white plus pops of colour kind of really equal a fresh, invigorating space. So if you need any help or advice,